Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to automatically send WhatsApp messages for cancelled Shopify orders. So here I'm a seller on a Shopify and here sometimes my customers cancels their order after making a purchase. So now here in this case I want whenever an order is cancelled in my Shopify account, then automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that customer so that I can initiate the purchase again. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to automatically send WhatsApp messages for cancelled Shopify orders. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run an online store using Shopify and sometimes customers cancels their orders without any explanation. So instead of losing the sale, I want to follow up with them quickly to understand why they cancel and see if I can help. So by automatically sending a WhatsApp message as soon as an order is cancelled, I can reach out to the customer immediately, offer support or even give them a discount to encourage them to reconsider. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Shopify account with my WhatsApp sending application, that is Vati, and here by building this connection, I can stay connected with my customers, offer a personal touch and potentially recover lost sales. So here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to select Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as automatically send WhatsApp messages for cancelled Shopify orders. And here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in this trigger step, we are going to select our trigger application as Shopify. So Shopify is an easy to use platform that helps people create and manage their own online store. It's like a one-stop shop for setting up a business, allowing you to sell products, accept payments and track orders all in one place. People use Shopify because it simplifies the process of starting an online business with tools for designing your store, managing inventory and handling shipping. Whether you are selling physical products, digital goods or services, Shopify makes it easy to run your store without needing a lot of technical skills. So here in my Shopify trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as order cancelled. So here by selecting this particular trigger event, whenever an order is going to be cancelled in my Shopify account, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever an order is going to be cancelled in my Shopify account, then automatically this entire workflow is going to be triggered. And now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I have received a webhook URL over here. So now here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Shopify account with Pabbly Connect. So here following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Shopify account. And from here I'm going to click on this settings option given in the left side corner. And here under settings, I'm going to select the option notifications over here. And here under notifications, you can see we have received the option for webhooks over here. So here I'm going to open it. And now here under webhooks, I'm going to create a new webhook by clicking on this create webhook button given over here. And then a dialog box will appear in front of you where it is asking me to select the event for which I'm going to set this webhook. So here in this event field, I'm going to select the same event I've selected in my trigger event of my Pabbly's workflow. So here for this event, I'm going to select my event as order cancelled. So here you can see the order cancellation event. So here I'm going to select it. And then I'm going to select the format as JSON. And then here it is asking me for a URL. So here in this URL field, I'm going to enter the URL that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. And then here it is asking me to select the webhook API version. So here in this webhook API version field, I'm going to select the latest API version available. So here you can see this is the latest version. So here I'm going to select it. And now here after entering all the required details, here I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Shopify account. That means we have successfully connected our Shopify account with Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to make a test order cancellation in our Shopify account. So for that, let me take you back to my Shopify account. And here in my Shopify account under orders, you can see all the orders which I have received in my Shopify account. So now here I'm going to make a order cancellation. So for that, let me select an order. So this is the order which I've already placed. And now I'm going to cancel this order by clicking on this more actions over here. And then I'm going to click on this cancel order. So here you can see the order was placed earlier and now I'm going to cancel this order. So here it is asking me to select the reason for cancellation. So here for the reason of cancellation, I'm going to select the cancellation as customer changed or cancelled the order. So here I've selected a random reason, and then here for the staff note, I'm going to enter the staff note as cancellation on request. So here I've added a staff note, and now here after entering all the required details, here I'm going to click on this cancel order. And here you can see the order has been cancelled. So let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the updated ad, total weight, total tip received, scrolling little down. Here you can see the other details such as the total price that was 2950, scrolling little down. And here you can see the shipping source, line, and some other details such as the line's code, carrier identifier, address zip, and here you can see the state as Madhya Pradesh and the address name as demo user. Scrolling little down, here you can see the city as Bhopal, and here you can see the user ID, and here you can see some other details. Scrolling little down, and here you can see the product which was purchased, which was a chair. So scrolling little more down, and here you can see the phone number of that customer. So this is our customer's phone number. This is customer's last name, customer's first name, and the customer's default address and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to our action step. And here in this action step, we are going to select our action application as Vati. So here by selecting this particular action application, we are going to send a WhatsApp message to our customer on cancelling an order. So Vati is a tool that helps businesses manage customer interactions via WhatsApp. It makes it easy to send and receive messages, set up automated replies, and handle customer support through WhatsApp's popular messaging app. People use Vati because it streamlines communication with customers, allowing businesses to provide quick and personalized service, manage inquiries efficiently, and engage with their audience effectively. It's especially useful for companies looking to leverage WhatsApp for customer service and marketing in a simple, organized way. So here in my Vati action step, I'm going to select my action event as send template message, so that whenever an order is going to be cancelled in our Shopify account, then automatically using a template, a WhatsApp message is going to be sent to our customer. And now here to connect my Vati account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Wati account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for an API endpoint and the access token. So here, following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Wati account. And here in my Wati account, I'm going to click on this API docs given over here. And here under API docs, you can see we have received the access token and the API endpoint. So now I'm going to copy both of the details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here, after entering all the required details, here I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me for a WhatsApp number. So here in this WhatsApp number field, I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this particular WhatsApp message. So here, instead of entering this WhatsApp number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever an order is going to be cancelled in a Shopify account, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map my customer's phone number. So for that, I'm going to search for the phone number over here. So this is my customer's phone number, and then here it is asking me to select the template. So here in this template field, I need to select the template through which I'm going to send a WhatsApp message using Wati. So here, by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the templates which I've created for my use till now. So here, to select that particular template, let me take you to my Wati account. So here in my Wati account, under this template, you can see all the templates which I have created for my use till now. So here in this case, we are going to use a template which is named as order cancellation. So now let me show you the template. And here you can see the template which says, "Hi, name. We noticed that you recently cancelled your order with us. Is there anything we can assist you with or any issues you encountered? We are here to help. As a thank you for considering us, we had love to offer you a 5% discount if you decide to complete your purchase. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Thank you, ABC Store." So this is the template which I have drafted, and here you can see I have used a variable in the place of name. That is because here I want whenever a new order is being cancelled in my Shopify account, then automatically this previously existing customer name should be updated with the new one. Variables makes our text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to select my template as order cancellation. And now here, after selecting this template, here it is asking me to enter the broadcast name. So here for the broadcast name, I'm going to enter the broadcast name as order cancelled. And now here, after entering this broadcast name, here it is asking me to enter the custom params. So here in the instruction, it says provide params and comma separated object which will be used in the template message. So basically here in this custom params field, we need to enter the value for the variables that we have used in our template. So as I've already shown you that I have used a single variable in my template. So for that, I'm going to add a single custom param over here. So for that, I'm going to copy the format given over here. And here I'm going to paste the format, and here in front of this name key, here I'm going to map the value as name only because I have created my variable with the name only. And here in front of this value, here I'm going to map the customer's name as value. So I'm going to search for my customer name. So this is my customer's first name space. This is my customer's last name. And now here I've entered a single param because I've used a single variable in my template. But if you are using multiple variables, then you have to provide the params in comma separated object. And now here, after entering all the required details, here I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here, before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. So now here I've successfully entered my WhatsApp number, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message to my phone number. So now let's go and check my WhatsApp. And here you can see the message which we have received which says, "Hi testing user, we noticed that you recently cancelled your order with us. Is there anything we can assist you with or any issues you encountered? We are here to help. As a thank you for considering us, we had love to offer you a 5% discount if you decide to complete your purchase. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Thank you, ABC Store." So this is the WhatsApp message which we have generated using the template, and with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Shopify and our action as Wati, so that whenever an order is cancelled in our Shopify account, then automatically using a template, a WhatsApp message is going to be sent to our customer using Wati. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clue link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.